If you're looking for a nice simple tripod to mount your over-the-air TV antenna on, then you might want to check out this one. It's sold under the RCA brand. It's a 3-foot TV antenna tripod. This one over here was sold under the Antenna Craft brand, although I think this style of tripod is sold under various brand names, but I like the design of it. Let me tell you why. It's fully assembled out of the box. All you have to do is pull the 3 legs apart and make sure that they are an equal distance apart from each other. That's going to make the tripod as stable as possible. One way to check that is to make sure that these gold cross brackets are level and flat. That's going to tell you that the legs are all an equal distance apart, making the tripod as strong as possible. And then mounting the mast, that's nice and easy as well. An 1.5-inch piece of top rail from a chain link fence works good for antenna masting. It goes inside the collars here, and there's only 1 bolt on each collar to tighten. Really easy. The bolts are held in place by this captive nut here. Just tighten the bolt against the mast, it snugs up. And then what you do is tighten this nut here against this gold collar, and that prevents the bolt from backing off. Do that on the top and the bottom, and your antenna tripod's all ready to go. You can mount your antenna on top of it. Now, other tripods may have 3 bolts on each collar, and that's really meant for a satellite dish, because satellite dishes must be mounted absolutely plumb on a tripod. Otherwise, you won't be able to pick up any satellite signals. But with a TV antenna, it's a little less critical to be absolutely plumb, even though it looks a lot better. That's why I like these tripods. They're nice and simple to quickly set up a TV antenna. Since this is a 3-foot tripod, you don't want to exceed a mast height of about 10 feet. This one's only a 5-foot piece of pipe I got here. Anything bigger than that, you want to use something else. A bigger tripod, you want to use the proper bracing and guy wiring. Don't go too high with this because that can be dangerous. The feet on this tripod also have lots of holes for mounting to different surfaces. They're also adjustable, so you can turn them back and forth to adjust them to the proper pitch if you are going to put this on a roof. And again, word to the wise, if you are not comfortable working at heights or don't know what you're doing, don't get up there and start punching holes in your roof. Hire someone who knows what they're doing.